It's a volcanic hot spring. Look at all the steam coming off this water. Oh, that's warm. See if we can jam this hole up. There we go. It's filling up with hot water pretty quick. This right here must be the source. Woo! Yeah, that's boiling. Woo! That's hot. Oh, all right. Let's get warm. I'm starting to regret my idea. Oh. Okay. Oh, I think I've got the temperature dialed in pretty good. That hot water pipe is just a touch too hot, so I got a little bit of that warm waterfall coming in, mixing with it. Just perfect.